Hi, myself is Chef Yogesh. You're watching your favorite cooking channel, and today I'm going to show you a simple recipes of Chinese cooking. So we're going to start with Chinese fried rice, which can be made easily at home with vegetables and the cooking ingredients available at your home. So basically you do not have to shop exotic things, and what we're going to show you is a quick simple recipe of how to make a veg fried rice at your home. For veg fried rice, what we need is we need chopped garlic, we need chopped ginger, we need diced carrot, we need diced French beans, we need some chopped green chilies, chopped tricolor pepper, which is yellow, green and a red capsicum. We need some chopped spring onions. For seasonings, you do need some salt. You need some crushed black pepper. I like to use crushed black pepper. It gives a more flavor than a white black pepper. So it is better always to have a crushed black pepper, or if you have a pepper meal, that will work out much better. Then we do have a vinegar out here. We have a soya sauce, and then we're using a Knorr product, which is aromat seasoning. So let's start making a fried rice. Need to put a little oil, chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Just fry it a little bit. If you like it more spicy, you can go for a little extra chilies. Chinese is basically a flash cooking. 2 teaspoons of a carrot, 2 teaspoons of a French beans, because you generally do not cook your whole vegetables. I put some chopped peppers in that, which gives kind of a good coloring combination for fried rice. You can add a little bit of salt, just so that the vegetables can absorb the salt as well. You can add a little pepper and a pinch of an aromat, which gives a quite taste enhancer basically, but not a monosodium glutamate. You drop in your rice. Now this rice is 3/4 cooked. You can cook it full also. This is basically boiled rice, where you boil the rice with a lot of water and you drain it down with this. Some soya sauce to that, just to give a color. You just need a pinch of soya, vinegar just to give a taste of that. With a wholesome of a spring onion greens, which gives kind of a good taste and afterward taste to a rice. Your veg fried rice, fresh spring onion, green. And again, your fried rice is ready. A tasty, lovely, homemade, easy to cook, quick recipe fried rice is ready to eat.